It's hard being a flat battery. For a while, you're in everything. TV remotes, toys, the good old days. Yesterday, you were powerful. Today, you're powerless, unwanted, unsure of where to go. Yep, those flat batteries can be a bit of a problem. You see, they don't actually belong in any of your household bins. Not the rubbish, not the recycling, and not the green bin. And there's a good reason for that. These guys are basically a can of chemicals. Yeah. Different batteries use different chemicals, but the principle is the same. Batteries work by creating a slow chemical reaction. That causes electrons to move around, and moving electrons equals electricity. When the battery is connected, the electrons can flow out of the negative terminal, through the electrical circuit, and back into the positive terminal. Eventually, when all the chemicals have reacted, the battery goes flat. But they can still be dangerous. If they end up in landfill, the chemicals can leak into the environment. And even a flat battery can make enough power to produce a spark if it comes into contact with metal. And that can start a fire.
So what am I supposed to do? I don't belong anywhere.
Well, there's some good news. You see, batteries can be recycled. For years, there have been places across the country to drop off batteries for recycling. They can be pulled apart and anything useful can be repurposed. In fact, the stuff in batteries can be quite valuable. The demand for battery recycling around the world is charging up as more things go battery operated.
If we can divert them from landfill, there are great commodities within those batteries that are fully recyclable and that can go into new battery manufacturing or into other applications rather than needing to remine those minerals from the earth.
The trouble is, not enough people are doing it. In 2018, Australia had 20,000 tonnes of used batteries, but only recycled 2,000 tonnes. That's only 10%. In the same year, countries like Sweden and Belgium recycled between 60 and 70%, so we could be doing a lot better. Which is why the government has put money towards a new national scheme designed to make it easier for people to recycle them.
What we're launching today is a nationwide scheme of 2,300 drop-off locations so that consumers can safely take their batteries to a drop-off location and be assured that they are going to be safely and professionally recycled.
The drop-off bins will accept AA, AAA, 9-volt, 6-volt, button batteries, basically the types you'll find in TV remotes, torches, toys, and even power tools. But you can't just chuck it away. First, you need to put some tape over the terminals of the battery to make sure that it doesn't spark. Second, you need to chuck it into a clear plastic bag. And third, go online to find your nearest drop-off point. It's hoped that the scheme will encourage people to do the right thing and give those poor old batteries a place to go and a second charge at life.